Hey y'all, Brian Thacker, Natural Self Yoga. This is my new camera, high definition, so you can see me in all my glory. Hair and makeup done by Ashtanga, and smell too. So I finished my Ashtanga primary series today. I'm going to show you Revolved, Bird of Paradise. It's a very challenging balance, but I have never done a video on it, and it's fun if you want to give it a shot. So for your Revolved, Bird of Paradise, you have to first start off with the bind in your twist. So you come into a lunge, bring the right foot forward, and the left arm comes around. Most of you will stay like this, and that's fine. But if you can get the bind, you might need a strap. The strap comes into the top hand, and you reach back around. Maybe you can see this in the mirror, okay? Where you have the bind. All right, so this is the first step to get the bind. So it's hips and shoulders. It's very challenging. And then you can step forward, balance on your left foot, just like you would in the regular Bird of Paradise. Balance on the left foot, extend the left leg. Try to stand as tall as you can. Try to extend the leg out, and then look back over your opposite shoulder. This is it. Revolved Bird of Paradise in all its glory. Woo, so much fun. Steady breath. All right, and then you'll come down the same way. Woo. Unwind. And there you have it. So that's a lot of fun. It's important that you warm up first and you have flexible shoulders, flexible hips, flexible spine. And then once you do that, it's a little bit easier. I did the easy side for me. The other side's a little bit more challenging for me, but in time, they'll both be about the same. So have fun with that, play around with that, try balancing on the foot, try coming into standing, stand up as tall as you can. But anyway, thanks a lot. Revolved Bird of Paradise. Namaste. Have a great day.